All right, we're here at Pinnacle Port, and this is the B building. And there's a bunch more. There's C, and they all go down that way, sort of zigzagging. But I think all the smaller ones have identical elevators. So I'll just film the one. At Pinnacle Port. There is no rule that says don't film the elevators, so we're good. All right. Oh, look. That used to have a call station right there. Wonder what it used to be. Maybe like a general? There's the motor room. Dark in here. Whoa! ThyssenKrupp. A lot of it. Look at that. I've never seen the TK logo just engraved into the panel like that. Yeah, look, it just had a small call station here. I wonder. Oh, and that just goes a little bit, not all the way. Here's your fixtures, innovation. Look at that. And then here's your permit. Anyway, that'll be it. There's the motor room. Anyway, that's it.